Samsung has officially announced the launch of 3 new mid-range smartphones under its Galaxy A series in India on March 2nd, with Galaxy A26, Galaxy A36, and Galaxy A56. Pre-orders have already begun and are running through March 12th, and the handsets will be released on March 13th. The A36 will be a hair narrower than the A35, including the camera bump. The bezel profile also remains same with minimal changes in overall thickness. On the right spine, there is the standard placement of both volume and the power keys. The remaining slots, including the USB Type-C port, SIM card tray, are placed at the bottom. The Geekbench listing showed the Galaxy A36 may ship with Snapdragon 6 Gen 3 or the Snapdragon 7's Gen 2 chips and up to 12 GB of RAM and runs on Android 15. The Galaxy A56 will get an upgraded selfie camera, most likely a 12MP sensor, that will replace MP snapper. The phone will come in 3 camera lenses on the back, 50MP main snapper. Battery capacity is said to also be 5000 mAh and support 45W. The Samsung Galaxy A36 is expected to be priced around 23,999 Indian rupees. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.